Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here and I'm so glad to be back. I had to take a little time off to make sure that I took care of some items here around the house and just getting things done. So now I'm back and I shall be putting out my big videos regularly. So last month, which was April, I usually do my ATCs with me, and I usually do a create with me and do it online and do it, live, a little tutorial type thing. But this month, since I missed it, I did do it. So it's going to be turned into a project share instead of a ATC with me. So the first April ATC is these guys. Let me see if I can get it here, and let me bring it down a little bit for you so you can see what it is. So I made this card with flowers and bees are traveling. I use the travelers because bees travel everywhere, and I use this die to create the bees and the cone that's behind it. I didn't fill the cone, I just did it a little bit different, and I didn't use these flowers because I wanted to use these flowers to give it more dimension. And I laid this guy on top of the flower, and he's kind of different, so queen bee probably, because she would look different. So this is the first ATC card for April, and it's bees and it's travelers. The next ATC card that I made is this little girl and her bee friend. And so she's an April, my April card too. So she's a little bee girl. She has her little wings and she has her friend and they have their honeycomb and she has her antenna like everybody else. And she's from this stand, these dies that I picked up a while ago from I think it's Amazon, AliExpress, or something like that. Let me see, who does it say it's from? Doesn't really say. You can't really read it. But anyway, so this is the die, and this is the girl that I made from it, and she's my second ATC for the month. So I didn't have my ATC with me like I usually do. I'll have one for May, but this is my April ATC. And I'm glad to share her with you. She can check out. I think I usually do them. I usually do my ATC with me on the third Sunday of the month. So I'll be back on that schedule. So I shall check you out soon. Let me know what you think about it. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you Thank you a lot for hanging in there. Thank you to my friends who've been with me for a while. Give this video a thumbs up because thumbs up helps my channel. And also comment. Let me know which one you like best. Or if you just like them both. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.